Okay, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to solve the following questions. A plus 11 is equals to A. What is A? When we solve this, A plus 11 is equals to A minus A is equals to 11. 0 not equals to minus 11. It contradicts. So let's find another way. A plus 11 is equals to A. Let's make both sides square. A plus 11 the whole square, which is equals to A square. Now let's expand the left hand side. A plus 11 times A plus 11, which is equals to A square. Now it becomes A times A square plus A times 11, 11A plus 11 times A, 11A plus 11 times 11, 11 square, that's A square. Now add like terms here and subtract, collect like terms. A square minus A square plus 11A plus 11A, 22A plus 11 times 11, 121, which is equals to 0. You see here, A square minus A square is 0. So 22A plus 121 is equals to 0. Now 222A is equals to minus 121. When you take this to the left side, change sign. So let's divide both sides by 22. It becomes A, which is equals to minus 11 over 2. This is the values of A that we have found. Now let us pause A plus 11, which is equals to A. Now let's substitute the values of A that we have found before. Minus 11 over 2 plus 11, which is equals to minus 11 over 2. Now you see here our common denominator is 2. So we have here minus 11 over 2 over 2 is equals to minus 11 over 2. Now when we add the numerator together, it provides 11 over 2, which is not equal to minus 11 over 2, which is contradicts. So consider the following property here. X is equals to y. Make both sides square. X squared equals to y squared. Now let's make both sides absolute value. Absolute value of x equals to absolute value of y. So accordingly, let's make the above checkpoints in absolute value. So here, as you see, an absolute value, it makes this contradiction true. So this implies that 11 over 2 equals to 11 over 2. So our solution, the values of A got valid. Thank you for